Hello, this is Manish Nagpal from QDO. Today I am going to explain you a topic, profit and loss. So let me brush you up with some common terms. CP, that is the cost price. The price at which we purchase any article is known as cost price. Selling price, SP, the price at which an article is sold is SP. Profit is difference between the selling price and the cost price when selling price is obviously greater than the cost price. Profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100, that is the profit percent. Then loss is when cost price is more than the selling price. It is like cost price minus selling price, and loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. Remember, loss percent and profit percent is always on cost price, not on selling price. So there's one more term called MP, also known as marked price. The price which is marked on any article, like it's like the printed price or the invoice price. Let us do a simple question on profit and loss. So let's do question number 1. A cloth merchant bought 20 shirts each at rupees 180. He paid rupees 100 as transport charges. He sold each at rupees 203.5. Find profit percent. So the total cost goes like this: 20 into 180 plus the transport charges, that is rupees 100. This comes out to 3700 rupees, and so the individual cost would come out to be 3700 by 20, that is 185 rupees. But he sold but the selling price is 203.5. So profit comes out to be 203.5 minus 185, that's 18.5. So profit percent is 18.5 by 185 into 100, that comes out to 10%. So it was a simple question. So first of all, let me show you some simple tricks by taking base as 100. So the taking base as 100, if there's a change of increase in profit by 10%, so it would be 110. So we can directly assume it at 1.1 into 100, that is X. Let's say cost price is X and it's increased by 10%. So the final value, that's the selling price, will be 1.1 times the cost price. Similarly, if there's a decrease, that is a 10% loss, so the value will fall down to 90. So it will be 0.9 times the X, that is the cost price. Similarly, for the 15% increase, it would go to 115 and the value would be 1.15 times the cost price. And for 15% decrease, the value would be 85, that is 0.85 times the original value, that is the cost price. So let's do some more questions. Coming up to another question. A floppy drive is sold for rupees 935 at a profit of 10%. What would have been actual profit or loss if it had been sold at rupees 807.50? So as I have explained you, if it's at profit of 10%, we will take it at 1.1. So the CP into 1.1 is equals to 935. So CP comes out to rupees 850. Now new SP is equals to 807.5. So there is a loss, that is 850 minus 807.5, that comes out to rupees 42.5. So percentage loss is equals to 42.5 by 850 into 100, that comes out to 5%. Let me tell you some more tricks, like if two items are sold at the same selling price, one at a 10% profit and another at a 10% loss. Let's say the selling price of article is rupees 100 for both. One is sold at 10% loss and other at a 10% profit. So overall there would be a loss of P square, that is the profit percent or loss percent upon 100, that is 10 by 100 equals to 1%. So it would have a loss of 1%. Taking another example, let's say on the same case we take it 20% profit and loss each. So there would be square of 20 by 100, that comes out to 4% loss. Coming up to another question, I bought two articles for rupees 1500. I sold one at a profit of 50% and other at a loss of 25%. On a whole, I neither gained nor lost. Then the cost of more expensive item would be, let's say the price of first article be X and the next another article be 1500 minus X. I made a profit of 50% on this article, so it would be 1.5 times the cost, that is 1.5x, and this at a 25% loss, so it would be 0.75 into 1500 minus X. This could be written as 1.5x plus 0.75 into 1500 minus X is equal to 1500, as it is given that there is no loss, no gain. So the value of X comes out to rupees 500. We have to find the cost price of the expensive item, so it would be 1500 minus X, which is equals to 1000 rupees. So another question is, find the change in the percentage profit for a fruit vendor who, after finding 20% of the fruits rotten, increased his selling price by 10% and above the 15% that he was already charging. So let's suppose the number of fruits to be 100 and the cost of each fruit to be 10. So the total cost comes out to be 1000. Initially he was selling at a 15% profit. So over a 15% profit, the selling price would be 11.5 rupees for a fruit, and overall it would be 1150 rupees. After as he found that his 20% fruits were rotten, so we will remove the 20 fruits and the remaining 80 fruits were left, on which after increasing a 10% on selling price on it, the selling price would go like this, which would be 12.65 rupees per fruit, and the overall price would be 1012. We will take the difference of these two prices, which comes out to rupees 138. So therefore the change in percentage profit would be 13.8%, which would be negative. So if you want to learn some another techniques, do watch the upcoming videos. Thank you.